one day somebody does something unspeakable to someone else, to someone you hardly knew, and you do something about it because you can.
This story comes to us from Fox 19. It's out of Ohio. And I don't know what you're going to think of this one. I'm going to give it to you. You might be upset. A Clermont County judge ruled police violated the rights of a man accused of killing his 3 sons last summer in June of 2023. Chad Doman, who's 32 years old, was indicted on 21 counts in Clermont County, including 9 counts of aggravated murder. Now, Judge Richard Ferenc ruled that the Clermont County Sheriff's Office violated his rights twice when it failed to advise him of his Miranda rights before interrogating him, and then when detectives continued to question him after he said he wanted an attorney. So twice the Miranda rights, and then he said, I want an attorney, and they kept questioning. The court ruled prosecutors couldn't use statements or audio and video clips or recordings from Doman's interrogation. Why? Because they're saying they violated his rights. The judge's decision says the defendant's Miranda rights were violated after the defendant unequivocally and unambiguously invoked his right to counsel when he told Detective Michael Ross, I'll wait for a lawyer. I don't know. Give me a couple of days. I can talk to a lawyer and get nice, good answers. Therefore, irrespective of detectives' failure to fully and properly advise Dorman of his Miranda rights as immediately set forth above, all statements obtained during the custodial interrogation shall be suppressed, and the state shall not adduce any of these statements in their case in chief. So what they're really saying here is they can't use any statements from his interrogation because the judge is saying that first you violated his Miranda rights, and then when he unequivocally and unambiguously asked for counsel, you kept questioning him. He said, I want a lawyer. Okay, we'll do. That's what you should have done. Now, attorneys for Dorman asked the court to suppress portions of his interrogation during a February hearing on violating his Miranda rights. Dorman is accused of murdering his 3 sons, Clayton, who was 7, Hunter, who was 4, and Chase, who was 3. And that was at their Monroe Township home. So here's this father who's accused of killing his 3 sons, 7, 4, and 3. And the charges might fall through simply because they didn't give him his Miranda rights. And when he invoked his right to counsel, they said, we're going to keep questioning you. That's not how it works. What is how it works? But I guess what I'm getting at is this guy, if he really did murder his 3 sons, is he going to get off on it? On a technicality of civil rights violation? I don't know. Was this guy a former cop? Because it just irritates me. I'm sorry, but I don't mean to keep talking, but this irritates the hell out of me. This guy's not if he did it, he's not a father. He's a POS.